So you think about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada, and you know about the Sky Canyon Northwest area of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, I'm actually going to show you another home. We've done a few different videos for Sky Canyon. I'm going to show you another little house that's just below that 700,000, 800,000 price point. We normally show you up there. That's usually like our Toll Brothers, some of our Richmond Americans. But in this video, we're going to show you something just below that. Those are my wonderful dogs having a good time. Okay, right by the video. Come on. And as we always say, let the show begin because we're going to get after it right now. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that there is to know about moving here, buying properties, selling properties here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area, make sure that you subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you can be the first one to be alerted when we have new videos out and hopefully be able to address some of the values and things that you're looking for in this channel. My name is Lavert Pompey Benefield, and we get emails and we get texts and we get DMs and everything else from people just like you looking for making their big move here to the Las Vegas, Henderson area. And we love it. Keep it going. We'd love to be able to make sure that we continue being of service and all that kind of good stuff with everyone else that's looking after this area. Now, today's video, we normally like to show you Sky Canyon, the Northwest, because it's almost a little bit of a something other than the Summerlin area. You can get some nice neighborhood, so forth and so on, that nice walk around feeling, nice amenities, just like Summerlin has, but just a little further up to the northwest. So today we're going to show you properties that are just below Mount Charleston. And as we said before, we've shown you the Mount Charleston area. That's one of our ski resort areas. People love getting away from sort of kind of the middle of downtown Las Vegas to be able to get up to Mount Charleston, go up to ski. They love to get up there during the heat and the craziness to maybe 20 degrees less as far as what they're experiencing here in the valley. And today, versus like we said before, showing you those Toll Brothers, those Richmond Americans, some of those Taylor Morrison homes that are probably going to catch you in more in the 8s, the 9s, the millions. We're going to introduce you to this one little cool property that's been built by KB just at the foot before you start heading up to Mount Charleston, and this one is under 600,000. So with that, guys, enjoy this beautiful property, and I'd love to hear your comments and any questions you have down below so that we can make sure, as we say, building this channel for you guys. Look forward to it. Enjoy this beautiful property.